Have you ever grown bell peppers and got only a few fruits? The problem isn't the plant, it's how we grow it. Using a simple no-dig method, one bell pepper plant can keep producing again and again for months. In this video, I'll reveal 7 secret techniques most gardeners never use, but professionals rely on for non-stop harvest. Secret 1. Why no-digging is the foundation of infinite peppers most gardeners believe. Digging the soil makes plants healthier, but for bell peppers, digging is one of the biggest mistakes. Pepper plants have shallow, delicate feeder roots that absorb water and nutrients. When you dig around the plant, even lightly, these roots break. This causes stress, and a stressed plant focuses on survival instead of producing flowers and fruit. The no-dig method means you never disturb the soil once the plant is established. Instead of loosening soil with tools, you build fertility on the surface. When organic matter like compost is added on top, earthworms and microorganisms naturally pull nutrients downward. This keeps the soil loose, alive, and oxygen-rich without human interference. Healthy soil biology is the real secret behind infinite harvests. Beneficial microbes help roots absorb nutrients efficiently, while fungi form natural networks that support long-term plant growth. When roots remain undisturbed, the plant grows stronger each week, producing more branches, more flowers, and eventually more peppers. No-dig gardening also improves water retention. Moisture stays evenly distributed, preventing sudden dry or wet conditions that cause flower drop. This stability allows the pepper plant to stay in a continuous fruiting cycle. Simply put, no digging equals no stress. No stress equals non-stop production. This single change can double or even triple your harvest over time. Secret 2. Choosing the right container or space to grow bell peppers continuously, the plant must feel stable and supported. Whether you grow in pots, grow bags, or raised beds, size and drainage matter more than location. A bell pepper plant grown in a container that is too small will stop producing early because the roots become overcrowded and stressed. The ideal container size for infinite production is 12 to 15 inches deep and wide. This provides enough space for roots to expand without becoming overly root-bound. Drainage holes are essential. Without proper drainage, water sits at the bottom, causing root rot and nutrient lockout. Surprisingly, bell peppers don't need massive space. In fact, slightly controlled root space encourages the plant to focus on fruiting instead of excessive leaf growth. This balance is what allows repeated harvests. If planting in the ground, raised beds work best because they naturally drain excess water and warm up faster. Avoid planting peppers where tomatoes or chilies grew recently, as soil-borne diseases can reduce long-term productivity. And position your plant where it receives 6-8 hours of sunlight daily, but not harsh afternoon heat. Good airflow is equally important. Stagnant air encourages disease and flower drop. A comfortable, stress-free home for the roots allows the plant to live longer, grow stronger, and keep producing peppers for months instead of weeks. Secret 3. Smart pruning that boosts flowers. Pruning is not about cutting randomly. It's about guiding the plant's energy. Bell pepper plants naturally try to grow leaves first. If left unmanaged, they become bushy but unproductive. Smart pruning shifts energy from leaves to flowers and fruits. The first and most important pruning step is removing early flowers. When a young plant flowers too soon, it weakens itself trying to produce fruit before developing a strong structure. Removing early flowers helps the plant grow thicker stems and stronger branches. Next, remove weak, inward-growing branches. These branches block airflow and sunlight, increasing disease risk. Good airflow keeps flowers healthy and improves pollination, leading to better fruit set. Yellow or damaged leaves should also be removed regularly. These leaves consume nutrients without contributing to photosynthesis. By removing them, nutrients are redirected to fruit production. Never over-prune. The goal is balance. Always leave enough leaves for photosynthesis, but remove anything that causes crowding or stress. Pruning should be done gradually every 7-10 days, not all at once. This gentle approach keeps the plant productive without shock. When done correctly, pruning sends a powerful signal to the plant. A grow fruit, not just foliage. Secret 4. Feed for fruit, not leaves. Many gardeners think more fertilizer means more peppers. But too much nitrogen only produces big green leaves and very few fruits. For continuous bell pepper production, feeding must be balanced. Use organic fertilizers like compost, vermicompost, or compost tea that release nutrients slowly and safely. Potassium and phosphorus are more important than nitrogen because they strengthen flowers and improve fruit size and taste. Light feeding every 10-15 days works better than heavy feeding once a month. Avoid chemical overuse as it stresses the plant and causes flower drop. Remember, healthy soil feeds the plant over time, allowing bell pepper plants to keep producing again and again. Secret 5. Harvest at the right time. Harvesting bell peppers the right way is key to nonstop production. When peppers are left too long on the plant, seeds mature and signal the plant to stop flowering. To avoid this, harvest peppers early and regularly. Picking them while they are green or just starting to change color encourages the plant to produce new flowers quickly. Always use clean scissors or gently twist the fruit to prevent branch damage. Never harvest all peppers at once. Leave a few developing fruits to maintain balance. Regular harvesting keeps the plant active and sends a clear message. Continue growing and producing more peppers. Secret 6. Balance light, airflow, and water. Bell pepper plants produce best when growing conditions remain stable. They need about 6-8 hours of sunlight daily, but strong afternoon heat can damage flowers. In hot weather, light shade helps protect the plant. Good airflow is important to prevent disease and improve pollination, so avoid overcrowding plants. Rotate pots occasionally to ensure even sunlight. Water deeply but not frequently. Shallow watering weakens roots and causes stress. Always water at the soil level, not on leaves. When light, airflow, and watering are balanced, the plant stays healthy and continues producing peppers consistently. Secret 7. The regrowth reset technique. After a big harvest, most gardeners give up on bell pepper plants, but this is the best time to restart growth. Begin by lightly pruning old, weak branches and removing yellow leaves. Do not over-prune. Next, add a fresh layer of compost on top of the soil without digging. This restores nutrients and protects the roots. Water deeply and allow the plant to rest for a few days. Within 10-14 days, new shoots and flowers will appear. This regrowth reset can be repeated multiple times, allowing one plant to produce peppers for months instead of stopping early.
How did you like my 7 secret tips? If enjoy them, please like this video, share your thought in the comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. For more gardening related video, do not forget to follow our channel.